Hi, it's Bianca coming to you from my dance residency in Paris, where I'm working on being a better dancer, doing a sabbatical so I can be a better teacher, and hopefully also a better human being. A little dance orientation video for our upcoming Santa Fe Adult Ballet Weekend Intensive, which I'm so excited about. So a few notes to help you be prepared for the weekend. Definitely, I have constructed this schedule with your safety and well-being in mind, as well as for your sense of enjoyment and growth. So every day we have a warm-up of some type to help prepare you for the day. And at the end of each day, we have stretching or yoga. So it's really important that if you're coming, you know that you want to be there for that warm-up at the beginning of the day. If for some reason you miss it, but you make it in time for the technique class after, you'll be fine. If you miss the whole first half of the day, your body won't be prepared for the breakout sessions because we will not be offering warm-up and bar after lunch. So the best you'd be able to do would be to hop in for stretching or yoga at the very end of the day. But it's really important that your body be prepared as we go into these things. I also want you to know that you're adults, and we want you to also understand that as a dance student, you need to learn how to kind of do a little bit of self-monitoring and pay attention to your needs and to your feelings. And we totally support that and encourage that. So if you go in for a class and for some reason that class is not working for you, maybe the level's not right, or it's not what you expected, or you don't have the energy you thought you would have for it, you're absolutely welcome to, politely, duck out. You could even go into the other studio and try the other class. Or if it's an issue that you're running out of energy, you can go take a rest. You can go chat with Diana and maybe shop for some of her warm-up gear. If it's Saturday, you could maybe get a little body work done by our massage therapist, Corey. You could go take a nap. You could go get a cup of coffee. Any of that is totally fine. You might even elect to stay in the class, but go sit on the side and take some notes or watch. And we totally encourage that. We want you to make sure that you're pacing yourself and getting the most out of the experience that you can. We don't want you burnt out and done before the weekend's even halfway through. If you need some help or some guidance, please feel free to come talk to me or any member of the faculty that you are comfortable approaching. So no worries at all. If you are a novice student, I've had a few novice students ask me which breakout sessions they should take. On the first day, you should definitely take fundamental movement with Alex in the first section of breakouts after lunch. And then I would recommend learning and remembering choreography with Bianca. That's me. That's going to be totally appropriate for our novice students after their novice intermediate class. Saturday is a little more up in the air because Saturday afternoon we're offering Modern with Diana McNeil, which novice students can totally take. So your options are wide open Saturday afternoon, and then Sunday we'll see. It depends on how you feel, and you're welcome to talk with me more about that then. We're going to have some wonderful faculty to choose from. Their write-ups are on the page for the intensive, and I think those are the main things you need to know. If you haven't either checked the packing list we sent out with the program or watched the video with the packing list, which we'll put a link, from this video, you should. So it's a good idea. There's some things you're definitely going to want to bring. And keep in mind that we also sent out an email that has links for reservations for Vara Wine Night. When there's links for group dinner because the faculty members were splitting up, we're going to different restaurants. No one restaurant can accommodate our whole fantastic group of students. So you can choose where you'd like to go for dinner. If you do want to come to dinner with one of the faculty members, you may decide you want to go off and do your own thing. And yes, you may bring spouses, companions, friends, boyfriends, girlfriends. If there's a person that you would like to bring with you to one of the social events, by all means, you can do so. We want you to just have a wonderful ballet vacation with us, and we'll see you soon.